Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to play Spit. This will be a full card game tutorial, so let's get right into the video. You'll need a standard deck of 52 cards, and this is generally a two-player game. So let's get right into it. You're going to shuffle the cards, which these cards have already been shuffled, and then you're going to deal half to each player. So this player will get 26 cards, and this player will get 26 cards. So I'm going to make this easy. You usually go 1, 1, 1, 1 back and forth, but I'm going to make this a little bit faster. So I'm just going to deal 26 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and then this player is going to get 26 cards, okay? Now for each player, you're going to take your cards and you're going to line them up as follows. You need 5 piles, 5 stock piles. The first pile gets 1 card. The second pile gets 2 cards. Third pile gets 3. Fourth gets 4. And the fifth pile gets 5 cards. And then your remaining cards are going to go off to the side or behind your piles as your spit pile, okay? Line them up nicely, and I'm going to do the same thing over here. So like I said, first pile gets 1 card, then we have 2 cards, 3 cards, 4 cards, 5 cards. And then your spit pile goes off to the side. I'm going to leave the spit piles here just to make it nice and easy. Now what happens is, when both players are ready to play, they're going to say the word spit. And when they say the word spit, each player, and I'm going to represent both players, each player is going to take a card from their spit pile. Sorry about that. I actually forgot to mention one thing. Before you actually take the cards from the spit pile, you want to take 1 card from the top of each pile and flip it face up. Just the top card from each pile. Just like that. So you know what you're doing. Some people do this after they spit the cards into the middle. Some people do it before. So I'll show you before because it's a little bit easier to explain. So only 1 card from each pile gets face up, just like that. Then, like I said, you can do this before, after you do the spit into the middle. So now we're going to say spit, and then each player gets 1 card from the spit pile, puts it face up in the middle. So spit, just like that. Now, there's no turns. Each player just starts playing whenever they want to, but you can only move 1 card at a time. Now, in order to place a card here, it needs to be 1 higher or 1 lower than the card that's here. So for a jack, you can put a queen or a 10. And at the same time, everyone is operating, okay? Just so it's clear. So let's say this player decides to put the queen on top of the jack, and simultaneously this player is putting the 6 on top of the 7 because they connect. Once those cards have been played, you can then place your cards, another card face up in the pile. The objective is to be the first player to get rid of all of your cards. So we're going to continue to play. I'm just going to sort of try and play both at the same time. It's a little bit difficult to do. So let's just look over here if we have any other options. We have a king. Now, interestingly enough, a king can actually go to an ace. And an ace connects the 2 and the king because you can either play a 2 or a king on an ace. So we have the queen that can go here, and now he can play the jack, flip these over at the same time, and then we have a 4 that's being played there. Now here is a fun fact. Once you have opened up a stockpile, you can take another card and place it on the stockpile, okay? So as you can see right here, so let's say this person is on a roll, they play the 3, now they have 2 open stockpiles. So they can place both of these cards on their open stockpiles, and then they can flip these over, okay? Just like that. Now, this person can play at this point. They can play the 10. The 2 can go there, just like that. And I'm just going to try and make it so that this person wins, just to show you how it works, okay? Just like that. Continuing to play. Now, at this point, there are still plays to be made. If there are no plays to be made, which I'll probably get to that in just a moment, but let's just see right here. So as you can see, let's open up an opportunity here. So at this point, there is a play that can be made. Let's just pretend that there's no play to be made. We're going to switch these cards around. There's still a play, but we're going to pretend that there's no play. When there's no play to be made, no one can play. Both players agree that no one can play any cards. They say spit again, and they both take a new card and spit it out like that. And then now we have new opportunities. And what happens is eventually, as you continue playing, okay, as you continue playing, someone is going to get to the point where they where they win. Okay, so let's just see if we can get this player to the point where they're going to win. So now you can see the ace connects the king. This player only has 4 cards left. They're just waiting for the right opportunity, essentially. So let's do this. So they play the 6 over there, and then this person plays the 7, the 8, the 9, and the 10. Okay, so this person now wins, and at this point, they smack the pile, they say spit. Okay, and they win. Now there is an advanced level of this where they choose a pile, they smack it, and then they collect those cards, the opponent collects the other cards, and there's an advanced level of this. But in its most basic form, that's how I've been taught to play spit. It's whoever gets rid of their cards first, slaps a pile and says spit, wins the round. That's it, they win the game. Like I said, there's an advanced way where you try and really get fewer and fewer cards progressively, but this is the most basic way, and that's what I wanted to explain. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. That's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.